Assalamu alaikum. I am Jawad Ahmad. Today we are present in our next economics class in which we are going to study what is an Islamic economic system. What is the concept of an economic system in Islamic economic system? So before we can start our class, kindly subscribe my channel so you can get all my videos on a timely basis. Let's start our class. What is Islamic economic system, or what is the concept of economy in Islamic system? What are the features of Islamic economic system, or what are the characteristics or advantages of an Islamic economic system? In Islam, the first strong belief is Allah is the sustainer. Allah is the sustainer. It means that Allah has created all the resources and is responsible for feeding and nutrishing all the creatures, including human beings. Means all glory is for Allah. He has created each and every creature of the earth, and He is responsible Himself to feed and nutrition each and every creature of this economy or this world. So, first belief is that humans are only the temporary holders or the trustee of the resources. The main or the superpower is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Second is God is the true owner of everything. Human beings are only trustee of resources. Trustee means caretakers. Humans are only the caretakers of the resources. Their authority to use resources is limited by certain principle. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made different principles for the government to provide different facilities to their citizens. So mainly Allah has created all resources and He has provided these resources to us for utilization of them as per the instructions shared by Him. Similar concept exists in a trust system in which there is a owner of the trust and there are multiple trustees that are made or appointed in order to provide the facilities to those people for whom the trust has been created. Similarly, in the Islamic economic system, Islam has created a trust and appointed different trusted in the forms of prime minister, CMs, and other bureaucratic structure in order to provide the resources to the concerns for whom this whole economy has been created. That is the citizens. So humans are only the caretakers of the resources. The main owner of the resources is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Third is state ownership of resources. All the resource Islam neither proposes nor prohibits. Prohibits means stops. Establishing state-owned entrepreneurship means to form a government in an Islamic economic system. It is not proposed or not prohibited. So there always exists a free market economy where entrepreneurs can earn profit within the boundaries or within the limits certain or prescribed by the Islamic economic system. So, making a state is allowed in Islam. Practicing of moderation. Islam teaches middle way and fair distribution of resources. People are taught to share their wealth. In the Islamic economic system, holding of wealth is discouraged or it is prohibited to have all the money in only few hands and others are are um, are intended for their health. So Islam stops holding of wealth in only few hands. Islam guides and teaches them to share their wealth within the economy through different investment and other activities so that the poor person can also enjoy same benefits or such benefits that are necessary to live a better life or a balanced life. So in Islam, practicing of moderation is taught to the citizens. Prohibition of charging interest or riba. In Islamic economic system, an investment holder person cannot charge interest on its investment rather than he can ask for the lender and the borrower to share the risk and the rewards that you get from a multiple or a certain business activity. So, sharing of profit is preferred instead of charging a fixed amount of interest. So, it is forbidden for the lending party to charge interest on investment. He is encouraged to start taking or share risk and rewards. So, for example, if you are earning from a business and you have invested 100 millions in a business and you have earned 30 or 40% of the profit of net investment, then it will be a greater benefit for the investor to receive or to share the reward or the profit earned by a business, irrespective that he only charge a small amount of interest. So Islam gives benefit to both the lender and the borrower, earning from the halal activities only. Earning should be made only from goods and services which are allowed in Islam. For example, gambling, bribery, and other unhealthy activities that are not beneficial for the society are prohibited in Islam, and you can earn only from such activities which are called as halal in Islam. In fact, if you see all such halal activities that are more healthier for the economy because they provide the benefit to the whole society irrespective of providing these benefits only to a specific or few persons. Haram activities normally provide benefit to one person and they are healthy or they provide disadvantages to all the economy. So they are discouraged in Islam. Next is holding of wealth. Holding means concentration of wealth. Concentration or collection of wealth is discouraged. Islam does not discourage acquisition of wealth. It is not discouraged in Islam to acquire more and more wealth. Rather, Islam discourages holding of wealth. Islam discourages stopping wealth only in few hands, means a specific sector of the economy is going richer and richer, and the other community is going down as poor that they can reach. So, when the rich people who are earning more and more profit share their wealth or invest their wealth in different public sectors, the whole economy grows through which only a single person, not all the economy will get more and more benefits. So Islam encourages utilization of resources for the welfare of the society as a whole. And the last one is zakat. Zakat is a financial tax on the wealth of rich people to help the poor sectors of the economy. It ensures equal distribution of wealth. For example, when a rich people earn more and more, he will feel more and more responsibility to share a specific part of his wealth with the poor sector of economy. When they invest in poor sectors of the economy, the whole economy grows as their investment increase employment level in the economy, and the foreign exchange also stabilize due to the distribution of wealth. So in Islam there is 2.5% tax named as zakat on the earning of rich people in order to facilitate the poor sectors of the economy. So this is all about Islamic economic system, in which we have studied different features of Islamic economic system. Hope the concept has been well explained. Kindly subscribe my channel, and in case of any queries, please place your queries in the comment section so I can address them on a timely basis. Thank you for your time. Let's meet in the next class.